Jai Gurudev everyone. Welcome back. Today we will do activity of fraction. Here I have some fraction part. These fraction parts you can make by yourself using paper plate or any circle. So for that I had taken here one paper plate. Find out the center of the paper plate first. And now how many equal part you want of this paper plate? First decide it and then calculate. As I want 4 equal part of this paper plate, so what I will do? Circle has 360 degree and I want 4 equal parts. So what I will do? I will divide this 360 degree by 4. So I will get 90 degree. 90 degree of 4 parts. So what we will do now? We will make a line, or we can say diameter of a circle, straight perpendicular, and then from center using protractor make another perpendicular. And draw straight line. So by this way we get 4 equal part of a circle. This way you can make 1 by 5, 1 by 6. This is our 1 by 4 because we are making 4 part. Color it, cut it and make this type of part. Now from these parts we can do various activities like comparison, addition, subtraction. Let's take one example. If I am going to compare 1 by 6 with 1 by 5, which one is bigger? Compare it. Which one is bigger? 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 6. Let's easily compare 1 by 3 with 1 by 8. Which one is greater? 1 by 3. By this way we can perform comparison, also addition and subtraction. But today we are not going to do this type of calculation. We are going to use this fraction part and form figures. It's interesting, na? So let's start using the figures. These fraction parts, we will make some figures. Like here I will take 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. And we can make a ladybug. Look at here. We can make a ladybug from 2 part of fraction, half fraction. Getting it? Now let's take another one. Using 4 part of equal fraction, I can make butterfly. Yes, getting it? Isn't it interesting? you can make more figures and more things from this fraction parts. Let's do one more. If I am taking 1/2 and 1/4, it's amazing, na? So perform by yourself and make so many figures from this fraction part. Enjoy your activity. Bye.